Hi everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel. Today we have another look what the postman brought me. We got 3 packages. So we got one from Germany, we have a little one from Sweden, and a big one from Norway. So let's start with the one from Germany first. So from Absima I ordered body post markers. So if you paint your body before you make the holes in it, you can use these ones to mark where the holes is supposed to be. Next one from Sweden, a small and very light package. And not directly RC stuff, but this is a sensor for my 3D printer, which I use to print RC stuff. So it broke, so I needed a new one. And now I got one, and I can start printing again. So that's great.
Last one is this one from Norway.
You got a remote control. Looks nice. You have a charger. And ta-da! This one popped up at the local sales web page here in Norway at a quite reasonable price, and I have been wanting one but never pulled the trigger. So yeah, really pleased. It looks okay. Of course there's some cracks in the decals in front, but that is fixable. Oh, look here. Not that much wear. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah. And it's ready to run. Okay. Of course there will be a running video with this shortly, I think. Really have to get it out and test it and see if it was so fun as I remember to drive this one. Silver can, might have to do something with that. Yeah. Okay, so there you have it. That's it for now. If you like this, or if you want to see what happens with the stuff I just got, click the like button and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye.